Space is vast and full of wonders. Some of these wonders are stranger than others. Take, for example, the Toothbrush Cluster. Yes, you read that right. It's a cluster of galaxies that looks like a giant toothbrush. Located about 4 billion light-years away, it's officially known as 1 RxS J0603.3+4214. But the nickname Toothbrush Cluster is way more fun, don't you think? The name comes from its unusual shape. In radio images, astronomers saw a long, bright streak that looked just like the handle of a toothbrush. Even more fascinating, this handle stretches an incredible 6.5 million light-years across. That's over 60,000 times the size of our Milky Way galaxy. It's one of the biggest structures we've ever seen in the universe. But it's not just the size that's impressive, it's what this cosmic toothbrush tells us about the universe. The Toothbrush Cluster is a giant cosmic laboratory. By studying it, we learn about the powerful forces that shape galaxies and clusters. It's a window into the universe's past and its future. Now let's get a closer look at this cosmic toothbrush. The long handle we talked about, that's actually a massive stream of hot gas and particles. It's called a radio relic because it shines brightly in radio waves. These waves are invisible to our eyes, but telescopes can detect them. And what about the bristles of the toothbrush? They're actually regions where the hot gas is even more energetic. These bristles are like cosmic powerhouses, blasting out radio waves at incredible speeds. But how did this whole structure even form? Well, it's a story of epic cosmic collisions. Imagine galaxies, each containing billions of stars, crashing into each other. These collisions are some of the most violent events in the universe, and that's what happened in the Toothbrush Cluster. Over billions of years, multiple galaxy clusters smashed together. These cosmic collisions weren't just fender benders, they were more like demolition derbies on a massive scale. As these galaxy clusters collided, they released enormous amounts of energy. This energy heated up the gas between the galaxies to millions of degrees. But there's more. These collisions also created shockwaves, like sonic booms, but much, much bigger. These shockwaves are what created the Toothbrush Cluster's unique shape. They swept through the gas, accelerating particles to almost the speed of light. It's like a cosmic particle accelerator. These accelerated particles then interact with magnetic fields in the cluster. This interaction produces the radio waves that we see as the Toothbrush Cluster's handle and bristles. It's a mind-blowing example of how energy, matter, and magnetism interact on a cosmic scale. The Toothbrush Cluster might seem like a strange and distant object, but it's actually teaching us a lot about the universe we live in. By studying its structure, we can learn how galaxy clusters form and evolve. We can see the aftermath of these titanic collisions and understand the forces that shape the universe. And it's not just about the past. The Toothbrush Cluster is also giving us clues about the future. Galaxy clusters are still forming and colliding to this day. By understanding what happened in the Toothbrush Cluster, we can better predict what might happen in our own cosmic neighborhood billions of years from now. So, the next time you brush your teeth, take a moment to think about the Toothbrush Cluster. It's a reminder that the universe is full of surprises, and that even the strangest objects can teach us something profound about the cosmos and our place in it.